could be the food artist aid. So it could be
it's like a beer bottle or a cup, because
it's kind of weird to have a flower pot.
Historians are very interested in material culture and how material culture can explain to us things that we might not have understood about the past.
That's made of ceramic, but it's thick and it's heavy and it's really high fire. That's what the ironstone.
Well, it's an interdisciplinary intermediate learning community that's team taught. So it's one class that the two of us are teaching together, and we're trying to look at this topic of the history and culture of food from a very sort of self-consciously historical perspective and from an anthropological perspective.
Sometimes that gives something more industrial look, because when they're made in molds, right, you make 2 pieces or 3 pieces in a mold. The ILC is meant to give the students at Wagner an opportunity to see how 2 disciplines interact with each other. So topically they're linked, right? One sort of topic, obviously we're talking about food and culture and history, but that brings in perspectives from 2 different disciplines to sort of help them see how they're familiar, how they bring different perspectives to the same topic. We're actually in the room together. It's one class and we're always in the room together.
Having 2 professors in the first class, and I think it's great having 2 different viewpoints on things, and it's the basis of 2 minds work better than one.
Especially considering that one of the most useful things for them is to be able to take disparate kinds of information from different sort of sources and make a coherent narrative out of that, to make a sort of an understanding out of that, because things aren't all written from the same perspective. So any sort of place that they might go, they're going to have to pull from different people, different experiences, different kinds of documents, different kinds of opportunities, and sort of pull together a coherent understanding that comes from all these disparate places. No matter what kind of field that you're in, there's, people aren't going to have the same experiences as you. You're going to have to negotiate that.